Hey guys, this is Charlie subbing in for TheTopher to bring you an opportunity that I couldn't pass up, and I knew TheTopher wouldn't want to pass up either. We are driving a number of heritage Volvos today. We are up north of LA, north and west, outside of Malibu, driving some fun Volvo heritage products. The first of which being this Volvo S60R. And look at this orange interior. This is fantastic. It's so cool. I've always been curious about the S60R. When I grew up, my parents had an S60, and I was fairly young. I knew very little about it, but this car is very important to TheTopher as well, because he grew up being shuttled to school in a Volvo S60. So I know he would love to be behind the wheel of this 26,000 mile Volvo S60R. Now, I admittedly know very little about these cars. I can't tell you the horsepower, specs, anything like that. I just know that this is one of the most classic vehicle designs in my eyes, and I'm just so excited to drive. Now, we don't have a ton of time with the vehicles. Oh, look at this. Look at this. There's a whole spec sheet. I should just restart the video and look very intelligent for all of you, but we've got a twin intercooled turbocharged inline 5, 300 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. Some pretty good figures even now. Haldex all-wheel drive, 3 performance settings, Brembo brakes. Do we still have the Pirelli P0 Rossos on here? Let's see. You would think, Volvo being a safety company, they would have put some fresh rubber on. What do we got? We got Michelin. Oh, Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Okay. Tires that we know are fantastic in the rain. And that's the date code, right? That means we're running on 10-year-old tires. So this isn't going to be exactly a super sporty ride. But, oh my gosh, look at this interior. Oh, these seats. I wish you all could feel these seats because they're so comfortable. It's funny, I just got out of the Volvo EX90 driving up here. And now I'm getting in these seats, and they're just so much more comfortable. We can't take forever because there are other individuals who are excited about driving this car as well, although this one being a stick, perhaps a little bit less accessible. Look at that fun blue in there on the engine. Very cool, very cool. Strut brace there. Man, those headlights look phenomenal. Huh. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. We are going to be navigating slightly by phone and by watch today. First time on the route, first time in the car. Look at this. We've got active chassis settings, comfort, sport, and advanced. Advanced chassis. What do you know? 6-speed disc player, or 6-speed. What a cool little manual gated area there too. Let's do it. No soft limiter on that. Definitely got some older plastic rattles. Yeah, 23,000 miles on this car, nearly 24. Oh, I'm already going the wrong way. This'll work. You sit very high. This is actually the lowest the seat can go, and the highest the steering wheel can go. You sit very high up, but holy cow, is this seat so squishy and comfortable. These classic climate control gate adjustments right there, those knobs. I miss those. This might be an expensive drive for me because there might be an S60R in my future. The clutch is very light. Nice grab. Oh, I'm loving this. we're gonna have to get some AC on for our windscreen here. We do have a little bit of warp in the brake rotors. Not the tightest shifter, not the tightest steering. But it is fun. Let's switch up to Sport Active Chassis now. Oh, and I should have flipped up our headrests so that we could release them. Quite a bit of glove box rattle over there. Oh, the car's a bit all over the place. Oh, but it's got power, and I love hearing that 5-cylinder. You don't really hear the turbo much. You still get to hear the engine. That's nice. Gosh, I miss Volvo having powertrains like this. I just reviewed the V90 cross country, and one of my biggest cons with it was the engine, the powertrain, and it's the same thing. Volvo has made some really good chassis lately, the Polestar cars and everything, but I'm not thrilled by the 2-liter turbo. And you can have exciting 2-liter turbos, but you can also have exciting turbo inline 5s. The steering wheel feels good too. Nice classic leather, cruise control, volume controls. This is great. That Haldex system giving us quite a bit of front wheel hop there. Super Sports don't like to hook up when they're cold or when it's wet, and it's both of those things today. Curious how they keep the fuel fresh in these older heritage cars. Is it just a lot of stay build? Do they drain the tanks? How does that work? Can I hold this for traction control off? DSTC function reduced. Perfect. I miss cars like this where you could give it the beans, bring it out through third gear, and not be doing crazy illegal speeds. I mean, I'm having a great time right now, and I'm doing the speed limit. Nearly. This is fun. Try advanced active chassis now. Ooh, immediately I feel it firm up. That's hilarious. Now you can even see from the glove box. Everything is rattling. And this is a smooth road. Look how beautifully this is paved. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. What a different time. What a different car. Remarkably simple from a gimmicky standpoint. I mean, there's no boost gauges, there's no funky all-wheel drive splits or anything like that. It's a car that you drive and you get to places in. That's what Volvos are good for, getting you places. A land before piano blacks. That mid-range punch is right there. It does fall off a bit above $6,000, and there's not a ton really down low, but it's that grunty mid-range. Surprisingly few places to put things in this car. Very small glove box, or center console, I mean. Small cup holders. This shifter obviously taking up a ton of space. Above about 3,000 RPM, it just builds and whooshes. Oh, that's fun. Cool. Cool. I know the TheTopher would have enjoyed this one, so pour one out for him. Let's pull back here, take one more look at it. By no means is this a competitor to some of the more hyper sporty sort of older cars like this, but it's just fun. There's a character to this car that simply can't be overstated, especially in today's day and age. I mean, I still like Volvos, but they're nothing like this. Cool. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I don't know if this will be a standalone video or if we're gonna teleport you from right here into the next classic Volvo that we drive. But either way, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And go drive an old Volvo if you have a chance. Particularly one with a manual and a turbo and 5 cylinders.